At CES 2025, Yaber has unveiled its most impressive projectors yet, and we're about to dive into two of the most groundbreaking models, the ultra-short-throw K300s and the L2 Plus. Both bring cinematic experiences to your home, but they do it in unique ways. First, let's talk about the K300s. This ultra-short-throw projector is a game-changer for small spaces. Thanks to its advanced laser technology, you can project a 100-inch screen from just 9.76 inches away. Perfect for apartments, smaller rooms, or any space where you don't want to sacrifice a massive screen. With triple RGB laser technology, the K300s produces over 150% NTSC color accuracy, making every image vibrant and true to life. And with a contrast ratio of 1500:1 and native 1080p resolution, it's clear that this projector is built for sharp, cinematic visuals. Even in well-lit rooms, the K300 shines bright with a maximum of 1000 ANSI lumens. Whether your room is dim or bright, this projector ensures your picture stays sharp and clear. But it's not just about the picture. The K300s features dual 15-watt JBL speakers with Dolby support, creating immersive sound that fills your room, making every scene come alive. Now, let's talk about the L2 Plus, a budget-friendly option that still delivers exceptional performance. It offers stunning 1080p resolution with 700 ANSI lumens brightness, giving you crisp, vibrant visuals without the hefty price tag. With dual 8-watt JBL stereo speakers, the L2 Plus provides impressive sound, and with a 1.35:1 throw ratio, it projects large, detailed images, even in smaller rooms. Plus, its hands-free autofocus and intelligent screen alignment make setup a breeze, and with noise levels kept under 35 dB, you'll hardly notice it running. It's the perfect balance of performance and practicality. The L2 Plus also features a special Keith Haring collaboration, adding a unique artistic flair to your home entertainment setup. Looking for performance? The K300s is available now for $1,130, but if you're looking for an affordable option, the L2 Plus launches in Q2 2025 for just $199, offering amazing value for your home theater. Whether you're looking for the high-end, ultra-short-throw K300s with cinematic clarity, or the budget-friendly L2 Plus with quality visuals and sound, Yaber's latest projectors offer something for everyone. Elevate your home entertainment with Yaber's latest releases. Available now for pre-order or launching soon, experience cinema-quality visuals and sound from the comfort of your own home. Check out Yaber's official website to learn more and grab your own projector today.
Hold me close till I get up.